Best Air Purifier for Smoke, 2021 Best Guide. The best August 19, 2021. Let's talk about the best air purifier for smoke. Yes. Smoking is part of our life too, though it is really bad for our health. For those who can't quit smoking, there are ways to get rid of the bad smell for your loved ones. So, we will be discussing the best air purifier which will come in handy for all the smoke out there. Air purifiers are devices that cleanse the air inside our homes. Home is supposed to be the safest place. We all know that, right? Well, the safest place is not so safe from germs, odors, and other contamination. Face it. You can't possibly purify breathable air everywhere, yet you want to, at least in your very own house. Here comes the air purifier into action. An air purifier sucks in almost all the pollutants such as odor, smoke, dust, pet dander, etc., and releases comparatively fresh and pure air for you to breathe. There are hundreds of products out there in the market. But which one to choose? Will it be better suited to your conditions? And it gets very confusing and tough to decide. Don't worry, we are going to help you out with this particular problem. After all, we researched over 40 products from 10 different brands to prepare our best air purifier for smoke list. When researching the products, what did we take into consideration? The coverage areas, cleansing areas, filtration technologies, smart facilities, certifications, prices, brand values, and of course, the most important thing, hundreds of user reviews. So, let's dive into our list. You may also want to read Love What Air Purifier Reviews. Best Air Purifier for Pets. Best Air Purifier for Smoke 2021. Okay, the list we created contains best pick, budget pick, quiet and comfy, for small area, and for large area. The ratings we are showing here indicate their overall performance in their own categories. Let's see these air purifiers in a quick look. Title. Product. Model. Rating. Price. Best pick. Blue Air Classic 280i. Blue Air Classic 280i. Amazon. Budget pick. Love What Vital 100. Love What Vital 100. Amazon. Quiet and comfy. Hathaspace HSB001. Hathaspace HSB001. Amazon. For small area. Love What LVH132. Love What LVH132. Amazon. For large area. All & Breathe Smart Classic. All & Breathe Smart Classic. Amazon. The list of air purifier is the best you can get for smoke. Why? Read this in-depth report to decide for yourself. Read about air purifiers. Molecular Air Mini Review. Azius Air Purifier. Aper Air Purifier. Wynix HR900 Review. Honeywell HBA300 Review. Silver Onyx Air Purifier Review. Love What LV per 131S. Air The Real APH260 Review. Rigaglioso Air Purifier SY910. Best pick, Blue Air Classic 280i. Specs. Size. 27x17x 8 inches. Weight. 24 pounds 11 kilograms. Noise level. 32 to 56 dB. Power supply. AC 120V, 60 Hz. Coverage area. Up to 279 square foot. Cleansing area. Smoke, odors, dust, allergies, asthma, viruses, pet dander, molds. Filtration. Dual filtration system. Fan speed. 3. ACH. 5x. Smart feature. Air quality sensors, Wi-Fi enabled, Alexa compatible. Certification. AHAM, Energy Star, CARB. Warranty. 1 year, extendable up to 5. Check price. We are giving Blueair Classic 280i the position of best pick for a few reasons. It has a coverage area of 200 to 300 square feet. Therefore, if you are searching for a product with mid-range coverage, this is it. The recommended area is 279 square feet. Blueair Classic 280i Window View. This purifier uses true HEPA and activated coconut carbon dual filtration technique to capture 99.97% pollutants. It can purify 180 CFM smoke, 200 CFM dust, 200 CFM pollen in a 280 square foot room. That is quite good in our opinion. The Classic 280i is also energy efficient, 20-80 W. Blueair Classic 280i HEPA Silent Tech. The Blueair Friend app, for both Android and iOS, is really amazing and helpful. With this app, control and monitor your purifier easily. You can monitor air quality in real time and adjust the fans with Auto Smart technology. It has an easy-to-use control panel with 3 types of fan speed settings. And, the filter change indicator will notify you to change the filter. Blueair Classic 280i Control Panel. The purifier is CADR certified by AHAM. This is a really good product with long-lasting usability. Naturally, the recommendation is to change the filters in 6 months. Let's face the facts that it becomes expensive. But user reviews say that you can use the filters for up to a year with the quality matches the time you bought this. Blueair Classic 280i certifications. If you want to get the best experience, use only official parts and accessories. The Classic 280i has a sleek look. So, use it anywhere in your room or small office to maintain your classy status. Pros and cons. Heavy checkmark 5 air changes per hour. Heavy checkmark removes smoke 4 times faster. Heavy checkmark filter change indicator. Heavy checkmark ozone free. Heavy checkmark app friendly. Heavy checkmark energy efficient crossmark high price. Crossmark not tested against COVID-19. At some point in our life, we all realize that quality comes with a price. There are lots of products offering varieties of features and technologies at cheaper prices. But it's no surprise that very few of them are as good as they claim. If you respect brand values and think about the long-run quality service, then buy Blueair Classic 280i. You won't regret your decision on spending your money on this one. Tips and tricks. If you want a low noise level, use it at low fan speed. Use the app to easily control and monitor. It may take some time to set up the app at first, but it will definitely come in handy. We want to remind you again to use only official parts and accessories for this product. This is really important if you want to keep your warranty and enjoy a superior experience. Check price. Budget pick, Lovewatt Vital 100. Specs. Size. 12.8 x 6.4 x 16.1 inches. Weight. 10.23 pounds 4.6 kilograms. Noise level. 23 to 50 dB. Power supply. AC 120V, 60 Hz. Rated power. 55 W. Standby power. 0.5 W. Operating condition. Temperature, 14 degree F 104 degree F, -10 degree C 40 degree C. Humidity, 85% RH. Coverage area. Up to 500 square foot. Cleansing area. Smoke, odors, dust, allergies, asthma, viruses, pet dander, molds. Filtration. 3 ways large filtration system. Fan speed. 3. ACH. 3.3x. Smart feature. Filter check indicator, timer, display off. Certification. CARB, FCC, ETL. Warranty. 1 year, extendable up to 2. Check price. Are you on a budget and want the best you could get? If yes, then this air purifier is just for you. LoveWhat Vital 100 lets you have the best features at this price. Users love Vital 100. LoveWhat Vital 100 design. It has a sound level as low as of 23 dB. It is really quiet. Sometimes you won't even feel that it is there. If you are looking for a compact and portable air purifier, you must buy this one. You can easily carry this device from place to place. It has 3 fan speeds that have 3 different coverages. Speed 1 covers up to 139 square foot, which is ideal for your bedroom. Next is Speed 2, which covers up to 185 square foot, which is recommended for medium office. Finally, Speed 3, which covers up to 500 square foot, which is perfect for your living room. LoveWhat Vital 100 coverage. Vital 100 uses a 3-ways filtration system. First, the washable preliminary filter to capture large particles like pet fur, hair, fibers, lint, etc. Then comes the true HEPA filter to capture small particles like dust, molds, bacteria, germs, allergens, etc. The last one is an activated carbon filter for capturing smokes, odors, fumes, ammonia, and VOx. LoveWhat Vital 100 purification. This product is energy efficient with a power rating of 55 W. LoveWhat Vital 100 is CARB, FCC certified and ETL listed. It comes with a basic warranty of 1 year. Pros and cons. Heavy checkmark portable. Heavy checkmark large filters. Heavy checkmark ozone free. Heavy checkmark quiet operation. Heavy checkmark energy efficient. Crossmark. A bad odor comes from the filter. Crossmark. Shorter filter lifespan. About the bad odor, it is because of the plastic wrapper in the filter. Some forget to remove it, and because of that, they experience bad odors. The filter is recommended to be changed in 6 to 8 months. Depending on the usage, it may last less than 6 months. The price of the replacement filter is not that much. So we suggest you change it when the filter indicator notifies you. Replacement filter. Tips and tricks. Try not to use the purifier 24/7. Though it is efficient, give it a rest once in a while. Wash the preliminary filter once a month to get better service. Don't overuse the filter even after the indicator notifies you. It may result in heavy damage to the overall filtration system. Check price. Quiet and Comfy, Hathaspace HSP001. Specs. Size. 13.5 x 7 x 19.5 inches. Weight. 12 pounds 5.4 kilograms. Noise level. 21 to 43 dB. Power supply. AC 110V/40 W/60 Hz. Rated power. 40 W. Operating condition. Temperature, 14 degree F 104 degree F, -10 degree C 40 degree C. Coverage area. Up to 700 square foot. Cleansing area. Smoke, odors, dust, allergies, asthma, viruses, pet dander, molds, VOx. Filtration. 5-in-1 filtration system. Fan speed. 3. ACH. 2x. Smart feature. Smart air quality sensor, auto mode, remote control, touch panel. Certification. CE, CB, ROHS. Warranty. 2 years. Check price. Hathaspace HSP001 is our next product on our best air purifier for smoke list, earning the title of Quiet and Comfy. How quiet, you say? It gets as low as 21 dB. That's the lowest comparing to other products on the market. It can easily cover a large room of 700 square foot, best suited for your living room. Hathaspace HSP001 Living Room. The device has a 5-stage air filtration system. It has nano-cold catalyst filters for the first line of defense. then cellular activated carbon filter, antibacterial filter, HEPA filter, and finally ionizer. And, that's quite a lot of defense there. Hathaspace HSP001 purification. The U/I interface is spectacular. It's truly a modern-day air purifier. There's a touch panel. It looks really great. You can also use a remote to control this device. Auto mode smartly adjusts fan speeds for you. Hathaspace HSP001 in the box. The display unit shows red, green, and yellow lights to let you know about the air condition around you. The HSP001 has a CADR rating of 160 cbm/hour. It is CE, CB, and RoHS certified. You will definitely trust a well-trusted American brand. Pros and cons. Heavy checkmark smart features. Heavy checkmark strong filtration. Heavy checkmark quietest. Heavy checkmark affordable. Heavy checkmark long-lasting crossmark non-washable filter. Crossmark shorter filter lifespan. If you want your air purifier device to run smoothly and for a very long time, you should frequently change the air filter. If it helps in the long run, then it's better to do that. Know what official parts and accessories you should use for this product. Replacement filter. Tips and tricks. If you want low power consumption, use the low fan. It uses 22 W. The medium fan setting uses 30 W and the high uses 40 W. Try not to place the unit sideways, or the functions will be disrupted. You should change the UV bulb every 3 years. Some users claim they put the filter out in the sun to clean them. It doesn't hurt. You may try this method if you are unable to replace it in due time. Check price. For small area, Lovewatt LVH132. Specs. Size. 8.5 x 8.5 x 14.4 inches. Weight. 6.6 pounds 2.9 kilograms. Noise level. 25 to 50 dB. Power supply. AC 120V, 60 Hz. Rated power. 28 W. Standby power. 0.8 W. Operating condition. Temperature, 14 degree F 104 degree F, -10 degree C 40 degree C. Coverage area. Up to 516 square foot. Cleansing area. Smoke, odors, dust, allergies, asthma, viruses, pet dander, molds, VOX. Filtration. 3-stage filtration system. Fan speed. 3. ACH. 4x. Smart feature. Filter check indicator, night light. Certification. CARB, FCC, ETL. Warranty. 2 years. Check price. A perfect summertime air purifier. In this budget, there is no other air purifier better than Lovewatt LVH132. This small, compact, portable, and powerful purifier can be set anywhere in the room. Lovewatt LVH132. You may carry this device with you wherever you go in your house. This air purifier really brings more competition to the market. With 3 fan speeds, you can adjust to your needs. The ultra-silent operation lets you enjoy the noise level as low as 25 dB. Lovewatt LVH132 Quiet. This 100% ozone-free purifier has 3 advanced filtration systems. The preliminary filter, the true HEPA filter, and the high-efficiency activated carbon filter gives a very secure filtration. From large particles to the small as 0.3 micros, it can purify everything. Lovewatt LVH132 filtration. We enjoyed the night light feature most. You can use this as dim light when you go to sleep. It could be even more attractive if there were different color settings. And, we can hope for that feature in future products. Lovewatt LVH132 control panel. It has a power rating of 28 W, making it a true energy efficient product. Lavwatt LVH132 is CARB, ETL, FCC certified. They also have a local U.S. customer service office to provide professional support. Pros and cons. Heavy checkmark compact and portable. Heavy checkmark advanced filtration. Heavy checkmark low price. Heavy checkmark energy efficient crossmark faulty product delivery. It is not a new thing to get some faulty pieces. It would be a shame though if you had no response from the authority or no replacement for that. Luckily, those who got bad products got the replacement for free and the new one stood up to their expectations. So, we think it's safe to buy this product at this price. Replacement filter. Tips and tricks. It may take a day or two to fully receive results from this purifier. Please have patience until then. This is a small device. Expecting it to provide big services is not advisable. Change the filter in 6 to 7 months. Only use official parts and accessories for this product. Check price. For large area, All-n-Breathe Smart Classic. Specs. Size. 17.75 x 26.75 x 10 inches. Weight. 21 pounds 9.5 kilograms. Noise level. 41.5 to 56 dB. Power supply. AC 120V, 60 Hz. Rated power. 105 W. Operating condition. Temperature, 14 degree F 104 degree F, -10 degree C 40 degree C. Coverage area. Up to 1,100 square foot. Cleansing area. Smoke, odors, dust, allergies, asthma, viruses, pet dander, molds, VOX. Filtration. 3-stage filtration system. Fan speed. 4. Smart feature. Filter life indicator light, particle air sensor, auto mode, smart display panel. Certification. CARB, NASA. Warranty. Lifetime. Check price. Breathe Smart Classic from All-n-Corp is a marvelous creation. The air purifier was designed by NASA airflow engineers. So there's your big assurance. This product comes in 7 different colors. All-n-Breathe Smart Classic. This beast can cleanse a 1,100 square foot space in just 30 minutes. The whisper quiet and lights off features ensure your peaceful sleep. There's a control panel locking option in case you don't want your children to mess up the functions. All-n-Breathe Smart Classic Espresso. There are 4 HEPA filters in this device. HEPA Pure, HEPA Silver, HEPA Fresh Plus, and HEPA Odor Cell. These are top-notch HEPA filters to assure your clean breathable air. Moreover, the average filter lifespan is 10 to 12 months. The display panel is sleek. It has options such as filter life indicator, timer, sleep power mode, feedback light of air quality, 4 fan speed, auto mode, ionizer, etc. All-n-Breathe Smart Classic Rosewood. The 4-fan has airflow speeds of 150 cfm, 185 cfm, 225 cfm, and 286 cfm. Its noise level is high comparatively, but you should consider the size in this matter. In whisper mode noise level is at 41.5 dB, in light rainfall mode it's 44 dB, in heavy rainfall mode it's 50 dB, and in turbo mode, which is the max speed, it's 56 dB. All-n-Breathe Smart Classic Oak. Breathe Smart Classic is CARB certified. Its CADR is Energy Star certified. The Energy Star certification for power consumption rate is 105 W at the highest speed. There are many attractions to Breathe Smart Classic. However, the most attractive part of this air purifier is the lifelong warranty. So, you read it correctly. This option is unique to All-n-Corp. They decided if you buy their product, they will give you a lifelong guarantee and service warranty. That's huge. For a brand that is still in its growth phase, it is a big plus factor to its success. Pros and cons. Heavy check mark, easy to use. Heavy check mark, the most secure filtration system. Heavy check mark, smart intuitive functions and design. Heavy check mark, lifetime warranty. Crossmark, difficulty in changing the filter. Crossmark, high-priced replacement filter. Crossmark, high-priced unit. There are lots of detailed tutorials on how to change the filter properly. If you still don't understand, then there's their customer service helpline. Users well reviewed the customer support service and they can walk you through the process step by step. The replacement filter's price is reasonable enough when you consider its great service. The price of the whole unit is also reasonable. When you buy a cheap product with lots of facilities, there's a chance that you might regret your decision. But in this case, with this product, you won't get a chance to regret anything. For larger areas, this is undoubtedly the best air purifier for smoke. Replacement filter. Tips and tricks. Use this device in suggested sized rooms with smoke filter if you are a moderate smoker. You should change the filter in 9 months to get continuous quality service. After installing a new filter, if the light is still red, hold down the filter life button for 5 seconds. It will turn green momentarily. There are lots of parts for this unit. Always use the official parts and accessories. Check price. Buying guide. The reason you were searching for air purifiers that are great for smoke is maybe you are a smoker and you want your loved ones safe from the smoke and smell. Maybe you have kids and don't want them to breathe the air filled with cigarette smoke. Or you may not be a smoker but your neighbor may be a real chain smoker and you can't stand the smell coming from there. Whatever the reason might be, you want to buy an air purifier. Now, before buying, you need to keep few things in mind. There are important factors that need to be verified first. When we researched and prepared the best air purifier for smoke list, we tried to cover all the areas that are essential for buying an air purifier. All of the products match these important criteria. But for general knowledge, the features that are mentioned below are must known before buying. Cleansing area. When you are looking for an air purifier that is great for smoke removal, you will not buy the unit for this feature only. You also need to check what else does it do. If you are paying well for it, then you should have all the best features available. The products we mentioned here have almost the same cleansing area coverage. These 5 products are well reviewed for smoke removal. But they also remove air pollutants, odors, fumes, chemicals, VOx, etc. They are great for allergy, asthma patients. You might want to check and match your medical condition before buying an air purifier. Size and coverage area. Check the size of the product you are buying. Because if you can't adjust the unit properly in your desired location, then it would be a waste. Verify the coverage area carefully. Your product's coverage area should match your demand. Filtration. Understand how the filters work. There are different types of filtration systems. The products in our list have 2 to 5 stage filtration. You may choose according to your need. The pre-filters are washable. There are activated carbon filters to check. All 5 of the products have mentioned filters in them. Noise level. A very critical issue. Because you don't want to buy a product then not use it because it makes too much noise. In our list, we have the lowest noise level of 21 dB and the highest of 56 dB. The noise level varies at different fan speeds. Certification. Check if the product is certified or not. When you are buying a unit, look for Clean Air Delivery Rating, CADR, by Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers, AHAM, California Air Resources Board, CARB, Certification, Edison Testing Laboratories, ETL, Certification, Energy Star Rating, Federal Communications Commission, FCC, Certification, Restriction of Hazardous Substances, ROHS, Certification. A single unit might not have all of them. Do not buy a product that does not have any of the certifications mentioned above. Warranty. A long warranty makes a product more acceptable. Before buying a purifier, Make sure it has at least a year-long warranty. All the products in our list give at least a 1-year warranty, which is extendable up to 3, 4 or 5 years depending on the company's policy. But if you want more, go for the All and Breathe Smart Classic. It has a lifetime warranty. In our best air purifier for smoke list, we carefully categorized the products in accordance with customers' buying queries. All you need to do is to match the product to your need, purchase it, and enjoy the best air purifier at your disposal. FAQ. No matter how much you verify every detail, there still might be some questions left. We have researched some frequently asked questions and prepared the best possible answers for you. Using air purifiers is a lifestyle that is simultaneously healthy and classy. There are lots of lifestyles that are also good for our health. Check out Lomig to know those and others. So, what are the generally asked question? Read along. Do I have air quality problems at my house? Study shows that the air quality problems inside houses are much higher than outside. It is because the outside air can flow from place to place. But there are chances that indoor air will get more polluted if the airflow is limited. Air quality problems can occur in situations like: moved to a new house, recently remodeled or refurnished your furniture, did a pesticide control application, your house has a poor ventilation system, you have pets around. If you have these kinds of situations and suddenly get sick or the sickness comes and goes, then consult a physician, check your air quality. Buying an air purifier is the perfect solution for air quality problems. Where to put the air purifier? Air purifiers cover the whole room depending on their coverage areas. Set your purifier anywhere in the room. You should keep it near where you spend most of your time. When you are in the kitchen, keep it near so that it can remove all the cooking fumes. Going to sleep? Place it near your bed. There is another thing you should keep in mind while placing your purifier. Air purifier catches the bad stuff in the air and releases good, clean air. So put it where the air circulation is free. Good airflow will give the purifier better chances to purify. Verdict. An air purifier is absolutely essential for a healthy lifestyle. If you want to breathe healthy, live healthy, then buy an air purifier. We would recommend you to go through our best air purifier for smoke list categorically. These are the best of the best in their own category. There are products with more reviews, but the one with the most well review is the Hathaspace HSP001. This product is really recommended for its 5-in-1 air filtration, which is absolutely amazing. We hope you found what you were looking for in this article. We want to make your life comfortable enough. Our goal is to give our readers the best solution. Read more, learn more, get comfy.